Hello my dears, welcome to my channel. Anti-wrinkle mask with banana and sugar for a younger look. If you want to take care of your skin the natural way, subscribe to the channel for new amazing recipes and like the videos to support us. For today's recipe, we need bananas. Bananas are a great anti-aging product, often called natural Botox. They help keep your skin young, moisturized, and firm. Anti-wrinkle benefits of bananas rich in antioxidants. Bananas contain vitamin C and polyphenols, which scavenge free radicals. This slows down the rapid aging of the skin. Vitamin A, similar to retinol, accelerates skin cell renewal, softens dry areas, and reduces fine lines. Vitamin E increases skin elasticity, deeply moisturizes, and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Potassium and magnesium nourishes and moisturizes the skin, making it smooth and youthful. Zinc supports collagen production and helps maintain skin firmness. Natural exfoliant. The enzymes in bananas gently exfoliate dead skin cells and renew the skin. That's why bananas are often called natural Botox. They help keep the skin young, moisturized, and tight. We also need orange for this recipe. Anti-aging benefits of orange rich in vitamin C. The high vitamin C content in oranges boosts collagen production. Collagen firms the skin, improves elasticity, and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines. Antioxidant properties. Oranges fight free radicals, slowing down the skin's aging process. Brightens skin tone. Oranges make the skin radiant, healthy looking, and help reduce dark spots or pigmentation. Moisturizes. Natural juices and minerals in oranges help hydrate the skin, keeping it soft and smooth. Cleanses pores. Alpha hydroxy acids. AHA in oranges gently exfoliate dead skin cells, promoting skin renewal. Reduces spots and marks, helps fade sunspots, pigmentation, and minor scars over time. That's why orange is often used in anti-aging face masks. It brightens the skin while stimulating collagen and protecting against early wrinkles. This recipe also requires sugar. Sugar and anti-aging benefits for skin natural exfoliant. Sugar contains small granules that gently remove dead skin cells, promoting skin renewal and revealing a smoother, fresher complexion. Hydration booster. Sugar is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin and helps maintain hydration, which reduces the appearance of fine lines, improves skin texture. Regular gentle exfoliation with sugar can make the skin feel softer and more even, stimulates circulation. When used in scrubs or masks, sugar gently stimulates blood flow, giving the skin a healthy, youthful glow. Enhances absorption of other ingredients. Sugar exfoliation allows other beneficial ingredients in your mask, like banana or orange, to penetrate more effectively, increasing their anti-aging effects. Tip: sugar doesn't directly stop aging, but by exfoliating, hydrating, and enhancing other nutrients, it supports a smoother, brighter, and younger-looking skin. This recipe also requires tomatoes. This recipe also requires tomatoes.
Друзья, напишите в комментариях, из какой страны вы смотрите наш канал. Очень интересно узнать. Если вам понравилось видео, ставьте лайк и не забудьте подписаться на канал.
Dear friends, use this recipe every morning. Dear friends, if you are interested in natural recipes, subscribe to our channel and press
Друзья,
the bell.
используйте
To
этот
support us,
рецепт
press the
каждое
like button on
утро.
the videos.
Друзья,
This gives us motivation.
если вам интересны натуральные рецепты, подписывайтесь на наш канал и жмите на колокольчик. Чтобы поддержать нас, ставьте лайки под видео, это мотивирует нас. Нанесите маску на очищенное лицо и тщательно помассируйте.
Apply the mask to a cleansed face and massage well.
Используйте эту маску 3 дня. Используйте ее 2 раза в день, утром и вечером. Маска против морщин с бананом и сахаром для более молодого вида. Если вы хотите ухаживать за кожей натуральным способом, подписывайтесь на канал, чтобы увидеть новые потрясающие рецепты. И ставьте лайки под видео, чтобы поддержать нас.
Use this mask for 3 days. Use it twice a day, morning and evening. Anti-wrinkle mask with banana and sugar for a younger look. If you want to take care of your skin the natural way, subscribe to the channel for new amazing recipes and like the videos to